Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid, and today we are going to learn a sentence in Chinese language, and we are going to know that how we are going to speak it and how we are going to write it in Chinese language. आज हम एक जुमला सीखेंगे चीनी ज़बान में और हम कैसे उसको लिखें और कैसे उसको बोले, तो ये आज हम सीखेंगे. The sentence that we are going to learn today is that I know that it's not your fault. जुमला ये है कि मैं जानता हूँ कि ये तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. So how we are going to write it, just look at the video until the end and you are going to know about it. Wo, I'm going to write it. Wo means I. Zhi, zhi, dao. Dao means, zhi dao means to know. Zhi, bu, shi, ni, de,做。我知道这不是你的错。我 means I. 知道 means to know. To know. 知 this. 不是 not. This is not. 你的错 your fault. Your mistake. I know that it's not your mistake. If you write it in English, I will just write it. I know that it's not your mistake. Okay, and in Urdu we can say that मुझे पता है कि ये तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. या आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. So this is all about this sentence. I hope that you would have liked the video and you would have learned that how we are going to write different words in Chinese language. And the most difficult part about this language is that we don't know how to write the characters. So these videos will definitely help you to write the Chinese characters. This is all for today. We are going to meet in another video with more interesting information about the Chinese language. Keep me in your prayers and stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. Thank you. Goodbye. 再见. Allah Hafiz.